Hello and welcome friends, welcome to Clash Ki Duniya. Today we are going to do our attacks with full army of bowlers. Only bowlers will be used in the attack. So friends, let's try to scout our first base. We will be using all the bowlers in CC also. I am using all the bowlers. Let's see how bowlers can go, how far they can go for Town Hall 12 attacks. So I am scouting my first opponent here. So let's get ready, my Clash Warriors. Okay friends, so this is the base we have got after scouting. You can see I'm been using all the bowlers here, few wall breakers to break the walls, and in my CC also I am using all bowlers. Let's use the wall raker as our tool to break the walls, and I am using 4 earthquake spells to make bowlers bit, it will make bowlers bit easier to walk. So friends, let's start our attack. Don't worry about the clan castle, we will try to tackle it with our archer queen and poison spell. Okay friends, so this is the base and it's got a good loot also. Let's try our full bowlers army. Let's try to open up bit for our bowlers. So 4 earthquake spells I am going to use to open up the walls. Now let's start our main attack. Here goes our first wall raker as a starting tool, then barbarian king behind, queen behind, and all the ballers. I am trying to release all the ballers friends. You can see all my ballers going, and I am also releasing my warden here. Let's use one raise spell to speed up my ballers. Here comes the clan castle electro dragon. Let's use warden's ability, queen and king's ability all together. Let's freeze the electro dragon and the eagle artillery. Here goes the ballers inside their center. Let's use some wall breakers to clear up the wall at the left side. It will make the ballers to move on. So friends, you can see by 48% by now, and ballers are still attacking. Good thing friends, their CC troop has been killed. So you can see how my ballers are moving, and especially you can see the warden's ability, the warden's aura, which increases troops health by few points, covering the troops. So it has increased the ballers health by some 20 points. So warden with the troops is always useful, especially helpful with ballers. So you can see friends, 57% with our first attack, all the ballers army. So by now we have covered 58%, and it's okay friends. So you can see all the ballers doing the attack, first attack with the ballers. Let's return home. Okay friends, let's start our second attack with full army of ballers. In the clan castle also I'll be using all the ballers. As the initial tool I will be using wall raker to clear the walls, and few earthquake spells I am using friends to clear up the center walls, which might be very compact in the base. And our heroes are ready for the attack. So friends, let's scout our friendly find a match base. Let's try to get our ballers to the very far end of the base. Let's see how much the ballers can do the damage to the base. So friends, let's find a fair opponent, not a Town Hall 13, Town Hall 12 versus Town Hall 12. So this is the base I have got, and we will be using all the ballers army to clear this. Let's see how much our ballers will go on this base. So friends, the clan castle is at the center, so I'll be keeping one poison spell and one freeze spell to be used at the center. So let's deploy a few earthquake spells to open up the path to the town hall. So friends, let's try to use our attack. I have used my 4 earthquake spells. Friends, remember that your army must be released from where you can reach the town hall with the shortest path to get maximum effect of your army. King and queen, a warden behind, wall breaker ahead, and here goes my wall breakers to clear up the wall. Few ballers opening up the funnel, the funneling process. Now all my remaining bowlers going to the center of the base. Let's use one raise spell here. Use one raise spell here. From the center comes there. Let's use the warden's ability here. Heal spell. Again the freeze spell to freeze their opponent clan castle troops. And here goes my bowlers to the very town hall. Very easy way to demolish the town hall with the bowlers. Bowlers attacking with their dodge ability. Few bowlers clearing the gold storages there, and you can see it's 47% by now, and still few bowlers are attacking. I think it can be a 50% 2-star. Let's see friends. My warden is remaining, my queen is remaining. Warden attacking the bomb tower, 48% by now. Warden attacking the air sweeper, and I hope it will be 50% 2-star. Okay friends, so you have seen that the bowlers doing a good attack. All the bowlers, nothing like a tank or a golem or anything to defend the bowlers. I just love the bowlers army, so I wanted to try the bowlers army here. So friends, this was our second attack with bowlers. Okay friends, let's start our third attack with full bowlers army. Let's find our match. I'm using all the bowlers army. Let's see how far the double hit ability of bowlers can go. Let's scout another best friends. We want town hall 12 versus town hall 12. Let's be at a fair challenge. So now this time we have got this base and it's look bit easy. Let's see how much the bowlers can score here. Let's use our earthquake spells before trying our remaining army. So 4 earthquake spells to open up the walls. So friends, let's start our attack. Now I'll be using the wall raker in front and my barbarian king and queen from one side. Let's deploy few bowlers first to open up the things. Let's use 2 free spells. Here goes the wall breakers, the warden. Now let's use the remaining bowlers friends. Here comes their CC. Let's use the raid spell, warden's ability, queen's ability. Again the raid spell on the bowlers, heal spell. 2 bowlers for left. So see how the bowlers are moving at a very fast rate. See how their stones are falling at a very fast rate and the town hall has disappeared. So see friends how the bowlers in the waveform are clearing the base. So by now it's 2-star already and 64%, and still my archer queen and few bowlers are moving ahead. So it was like a symmetrical attack. Bowlers in the form of groups have entered the base and clearing the base, and we have covered almost a good loot here. So friends, you can see it this time 71% at 2-star. Still my warden hitting the double cannon. So see friends how the bowlers have cleared the base so fast. Bowlers at level 4 doing a very good job. So this was the third attack with bowlers. So bowlers are a bit good competitive. So friends, this was our bowlers series attack for town hall 12. Hope you enjoyed it.